My favorite movies by Petar, Samardzic. Okay, my favorite movies. I have a lot of favorite movies, but I will just of that big bunch take 3 movies that I really like. I will mention some actors, but not so much my favorite actors. That's the Oscar award. That's awarded to to actors which acted in a movie that has been highly rated. My favorite movie number 1 is called 9. It's about a doll that actually shows up in a post-apocalyptic future and holds the key to humanity's salvations. There are 9 dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 8 and 9. And one of the actors are Christopher Plummer, Martin Landau, John C. Reilly, and Crispin Glover. On this picture, this is 9. Okay. And you can click this if you want to watch a movie trailer. My favorite movie number 2 is Star Wars Episode 6, Return of the Jedi. This sequel is about the Return of the Jedi. Luke Skywalker, together with his crew, wants to stop Darth Vader and Emperor Palpatine from taking over the galaxy and destroying it. They have a big weapon, which is called the Death Star. It's the second Death Star, which that weapon can destroy planets. The writer is George Lucas. Few actors: Harrison Ford, he's acting as Han Solo, Mark Hamill as Luke Skywalker, and Carrie Fisher as Princess Leia. And on this picture you can see Luke Skywalker, Han Solo, and Princess Leia. And this is an Ewok. Favorite movie number 3 is Rango. The movie is about a lizard who accidentally falls out a car. He was a pet of one child, and he winds up in the town of Dirt, an outpost, a lawless outpost, in the Wild West, in desperate need of a new sheriff. The director is Gore Verbinski. Actors are Johnny Depp, Isla Fisher, and Timothy Olyphant. This is Rango on the picture, and Johnny Depp acts as Rango. My few favorite actors. Okay, Jennifer Aniston, and one movie she acted was Office Space. Next actor is Johnny Depp, Alice in Wonderland. That's another movie he acted. Harrison Ford, he acted in Indiana Jones, also Star Wars. George Clooney, he acted in Ocean's 11, and Jack Black in School of Rock. A few little things that you probably didn't know, or you did. The movie started to be in color somewhere about the 1930s, and Charlie Chaplin was the funniest actor in the time when he was active, and that was 1895 to 1976. Oh, yeah. This is the picture of Le Voyage, the trip to moon. Thank you for your attention. Wait, that's too much.